guys, today we are going to be opening a silly squishy package that I ordered. So yeah, and oh god, okay, we already opened it because it would take too long because yeah, it would take too long, so it would be all boring. So here is your first peek. So then let's take dish out. Hey, they're really the way squishy. Okay. So first I'm gonna squish it in packaging. And now I'm gonna take it out of the package real fast so it doesn't get boring. And this one. Okay. No, okay. Sorry. Okay, so oh, it smells like mint. Well, I already know that because I already have the jumbo one of this. And this is how squishy this is. And on the side. So that is a squishy. Sorry, I can't help squishing it with my nails. And yeah, that's the squishy. So I ordered two things, so there's another thing in here, and my avocado squishy. So as you can see, this is from Fat Pawpaw, and I got Millinano. I don't know what the name is, Millinano, and I don't know. So I'm gonna, oh wait, for all the crinkling. So as you can see, it's very slow rising. It's still rising from the start when and it's very slow rising. So yeah, these are all of the squishies that I got today. So